Okay, so this is under the 2003 anniversary package car. It has 10,000 original miles. As you can see, still has all the labels and markings from factory. Never had an issue, never had a problem. Everything in the car is original, is in perfect shape, has all the labels. Leaf spring has the label too. This is as close as a new car you can get for 2003 anniversary. Gearbox, perfect shape, no leaks whatsoever. Clutch is perfect. As you can see, you still have the factory labels there. Exhaust is original, perfect shape. It's just a little bit dirty down here, but no rust. It's just dirt. So very well taken care of. No leaks on the car whatsoever. Has new oil filter because it just got serviced. So let's see all the details here of the car. As you can see, all the little labels there. Very clean, very new. Radiator perfect. Just a little bit dirty. I mean, not normally dirty. I always clean the car. I wash the car from outside. You can see all the labels from the brakes. It's a brand new car. Everything here is in great shape. Steering rack. All right.